Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G86 Power, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. Okay, so first we need to open up the settings, because we have two methods how we can do it. The first one is simply through the settings. So to do it, we need to open up the settings and scroll down until we find the system, and in here we need to click on reset options. Of course, we are interested in the factory reset in this video, but in here, for example, you can also reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset device settings, app preferences, and also erase the eSIMs if you want. But let's select the last option. Remember that all of your data will be erased permanently from your device. So before doing it, if you have that possibility, you can create a backup of your data if you want. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on erase all data, then follow the instructions on the screen, and if you do everything properly, and I'm sure that you will, your device will be turned off, then it will be automatically turned on back again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method, but we also have the second one, which is called the force restart. The factory reset through the recovery mode, my bad. And to do it, we need to power off our device. So click power button and volume up, and hit on power off, just like that. Okay. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So keep holding both of the buttons, just like that. Now, using the volume keys, we need to find recovery mode, and now confirm by clicking the power button. Now we need to wait a little. Okay, and now we have the Android logo and it says no command. And now to move forward, we need to hold the power button and tap volume up, just like that. Now again, use volume keys to move around this menu. Select wipe data / factory reset. Click on the power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. You can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System Now. Click on the power button, and now within a few seconds our device will be turned on automatically, and next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.